Welcome to my YouTube channel or classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on consumer behavior part 5. Now come to the question number 1. Buyer's black box consists of A. Characteristics of buyer, B. Buyer decision process, C. Cultural environment, D. Both A and B. Correct option is D. Both A and B. Question number 2. Group which can exert influences on other because specialized knowledge and skills is called A. Opinion leader, B. Leading adopters, C. Influential, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 3. Customers keeping such information that supports their attitudes towards brand is classified as A. Selective attention, B. Selective distortion, C. Selective retention, D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Selective distortion. Question number 4. Ads affecting consumers' subconscious minds are classified as A. Online advertising, B. Subliminal advertising, C. Luminal advertising, D. Both B and C. Correct option is B. Subliminal advertising. 5. Tendency to which experiences of potential customers fits with innovation called A. Relative advantage, B. Divisibility, C. Communicability, D. Compatibility. Correct option is D. Compatibility. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large, correct options in each question are highlighted here. In case of any discrepancy found in any question, that will be corrected through my narration. Now, question number 6. Highly involved consumer buying behavior and customers perceive fewer differences among brands is called A. Complex buying behavior, B. Variety seeking buying behavior, C. Dissonance reducing buying behavior, D. Habitual buying behavior. Correct option is B. Variety seeking buying behavior. The minor stimuli which determines when and how customers will respond in certain ways called A. Perception, B. Cues, C. Motives, D. Stimuli. Correct option is B. Cues. 8. Social class who rely on relatives for assistance in troubled times and economic support considered as A. Upper middle class, B. Working class, C. Middle class, D. Upper class. Correct option is B. Working class. 9. In adoption process for new products, customer feedback information in the A. Awareness stage, B. Interest stage, C. Evaluation and trial stage, D. Evaluation stage. Correct option is B. Interest stage. 10. In stage of adoption process stage in which customer considers whether to try product or not to is classified as A. Awareness stage, B. Interest stage, C. Evaluation and train stage, D. Adoption stage. Correct option is C. Evaluation and train stage. 11. Mental process in which customers ends up as buyer of a new product is called A. Adoption process, B. Cognitive process, C. Pre-purchase behavior, D. Post-purchase behavior. Correct option is adoption process. 12. In buyer decision process, a stage in which purchase intention is transformed into purchase decision is called A. New cognition, B. Information search, C. Post-purchase decision, D. None of the above. Correct option is D. None of the above. 13. Marketers can build up demand of a particular product by A. Association with strong motives, B. Using motive cues, C. Positive reinforcement, D. Negative reinforcement. Correct option is C. Positive reinforcement. 14. Remembrance of good points that are related to choose a brand compared to competing brand is called A. Selective attention, B. Selective distortion, C. Selective retention, D. All of the above. Correct option is C. Selective retention. 15. In measuring consumer measure AIO dimensions activities includes A. Social events, B. Social issues, C. Recreation, D. and B. Correct option is A. Social events. 16. Higher is gap between product performance and customer expectations. Customer is A. More satisfied, B. More dissatisfied, C. More delighted, D. None of the above. Correct option is B. More dissatisfied. 17. Good service or idea that is perceived as new by potential customers is an example of A. Adoption process, B. New product, C. Existing product, D. None of the above. Correct option is B. New product. 18. Kind of information consumers obtain from mass media and internet searches classified as A. Personal sources, B. Commercial sources, C. Public sources, D. All of the above. Correct option is C. Public sources. 19. Kind of information consumers obtain from advertising campaigns and salespeople classified as A. Personal source, B. Commercial source, C. Experiential source, D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Commercial source. 20. Frame of liking and disliking a specific product or moving to and away from a brand is referred as a belief, B. Attitude, C. Learning, D. Both A and B. Correct option is A. Belief. 21. Many subcultural barriers are decreasing because of mass communication, mass transit, and a decline in communal influences. B. Strong awareness of brands in the market. C. Strong awareness of pricing policy in the market. D. Decline in influence of religious values. Correct option is A. Decline in communal influence. 22. Changes in consumer values have been recognized by many business firms that have expanded their emphasis on dash products. Latest technology. B. Time saving, convenience oriented. C. Health related. D. Communication. Correct option is B. Time saving, convenience oriented. 23. Upper class prioritize spending on dash A. Technology related products. B. Pubs and discos. C. Gambling. D. Travel and prestigious product. Correct option is D. Travel and prestigious product. 24. The population of Indian consumers that want to do the right things and buy what is popular is generally referred to as A. Lower middle class, B. Upper American class, C. Working class, D. Middle class. Correct option is middle class. 25. The group classified as lower class is prone to dash when the money is available. A. Instant gratification, B. Competing with their neighbors, C. Saving as much money possible, and D. Making large investment. Correct option is A. Instant gratification. 26. Sales of 40 to 75% off on merchandise at stores that were being closed led many consumers who had not shopped at stores in long return to look for bargains. Dash influences led to these bargains hunters revisiting stores. A. Antecedent, B. Economic, C. Infrastructural, D. Marketing. Correct option is D. Marketing. 27. McDonald's advertises cheap soda on the side of their stores with giant banners. They are targeting which of the following perceptual processes of the consumer? A. Exposure, B. Attention, C. Alternative selection, D. Interpretation. Correct option is B. Attention. 28. Which of the following is example of a consumer characteristic that would affect a consumer's information search for a pair of non-skid boat shoes? A. The actual differences between brand of boat shoes. B. The age and gender of the individual shopping for shoes. C. Purchase will be used by the shopper. D. The sales personnel at the store consumer is looking at shoes. Correct option is B. The age and gender of the individual shopping for shoes. 29. So the following statement about product involvement is true. A. Product knowledge is unrelated to the product involvement. B. Product requiring extensive decision making. C. Consumer moves through the quick decision process. D. Level of product involvement determine purchase decision. Correct option is D. Level of product involvement determine purchase decision. 30. Which of the following is example for a seasonal influence on consumer behavior? A. Adam refused to buy his daughter an ice cream. B. Shelley purchased a bag suggested by her friend. C. Purchasing a novel, the storyline illustrates something. D. Purchasing a gold ring after much looking. Correct option is D. Purchasing a gold ring after much looking. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you would have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R-Class and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Tough luck.